What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and today I'm gonna take you on a tour through my unfinished dream home. We've got all the walls up now, and so we're gonna go show you where everything's going to be. However, I wanted to take you in the Ferrari, but the Ferrari is completely dead. I must have done something wrong. It's been really cold here in Idaho, and it's been sitting here for the last couple weeks. So we're gonna have to figure out that later. However, the C8 has not been getting enough love, so we're gonna take it over and check out the house. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, it feels good to be back in the car. It got super cold and super snowy, and I tried taking the cars out in the snow because I thought that'd be cool, and I've seen a lot of other people do that. However, it didn't go great. And so I've had to leave the cars parked in the garage. The major bummer is the Ferrari battery is now dead. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with that. If you've got any helpful hints, let me know in the comments. I think I'm just gonna jump it, and then I got a trickle charger for it that I probably should have had hooked up anyways, but it's been a crazy couple weeks. So we'll get that figured out, but we're gonna go over to the house, and a ton has happened since the last video. They've got all the walls up, foundation is in, the pool is in, and you can really get a feel for the layout of the house. So we're gonna go and walk you through the entire home and just give you a feel for where everything's gonna be. So with all of that, let's head on over. All right, guys, it's been a minute since we've sent it, so. Oh. You feel the back tires on that? It's a little chilly outside still. We gotta get the tires warmed up. All right. This is it. There's still a lot of house to be built, but I wanted to give you the update and kind of show you the process. So we've got all the walls downstairs, the main floor. Upstairs is not finished yet. And so we're just gonna kind of walk you through and show you where everything's at. What's up, dude? How are you?
Good.
How's it coming?
It's going good. We're just gonna put your caps on here. And
Good, good. Dude, you guys are flying.
Oh yeah, we try.
Sweet, sweet.
It's one of those things.
Cool, well, I'm excited to go see it. We're gonna go do a little walkthrough real quick. So this is the front door. This is kind of our view out or in. This is going to be my office, so you can come in here real quick. We're gonna have like desk set up here. We'll put camera equipment there. And then I'm actually getting pictures of all of my properties on this wall. So I think it's gonna be super sick. And then if you come back in here, right here, we're gonna have stairs going down into the basement, and we'll walk around and show you the basement, and then we'll have stairs going up to the second story, which as you can see, still needs a little bit of work. If you come in here, this is where the master bedroom's gonna be. This is gonna be the master bedroom with kind of the view out. This will be where you've got the master bath. So we've got a shower, we've got a tub over here, double vanity. And then back in here will be the closet and then the laundry room. So this is the living room. You can look out here, and again, that shows you the backyard. And then we're gonna have sliding doors here, and it looks like they just started on the covered patio. So this will be covered patio here, and then we've got a lot of work to do in the backyard. This is where the kitchen's going to be, and then this will be a little homework study area. What we did is we made it so that you've got windows. This is gonna be a pantry so that you can come back and check in on the basketball court. You can see this is the full basketball court. You can actually see that it looks through into the pool room, and then that's got windows so you can see clear through the house. And the other thing that's neat is out here on the patio, you've got another way to look down in there. So that's a window that's gonna be outside on the patio, but then you can also see it from the windows out here. So you can always check in on the basketball court. So this is actually gonna be the back window, and lighting down here is gonna be rough, but I'll give you a quick walkthrough. We'll have TV set up. This will just be hangout area. There'll be a little kitchenette area back here. But then back in here, you can see, and we won't walk you through it all, but that's gonna be kind of a guest bedroom. And then over here is actually where the theater room's going to be. We're gonna have an area up here with a table and counters, and then we'll have 2 levels of couches and then the theater room there. And then this is going to be a little music room, just for music. And these are where the stairs are. They're gonna be coming up right here. And then this will be, it'll go up halfway and then come up the rest of the way. So I'll have a little kids play area under here. And then back here, this is the part where, like, this is my favorite part of the house. From here over, it's going to be kind of cut off so that we can keep people out if we want. This is our living area. The rest of this is all for my business, whether it's YouTube or my sales reps to come and hang out. So right here, this is actually going to be a gym. So there'll be double doors here with gym equipment, and then this whole wall is going to be glass. So the wall right there looks into the basketball court. This is gonna be kind of a bunk room. So we're gonna hopefully have room for like double queen bunk beds in here so that we can sleep a bunch of people. And then this will walk in, we'll have a water fountain here. And then this is the basketball court. And this is the first time I've seen it with the roof on. So this is super cool. Kind of gives you a feel for things. Up above the basketball court, there's actually going to be a bedroom there. And they still have to finish the 3rd story on, or I guess the 2nd story, because there's a basement, main floor, and then the 2nd story. They still have to finish that over above the main house. This will be a full basketball court and then a professional half court there. This is probably one of my favorite rooms. It's gonna be super echoey in here, but all of this is going to be exposed concrete. And so you're going to see like the metal coverings on the electrical. And we're gonna have 2 bathrooms over here. And then we're gonna have lockers for storing everything, double glass doors over here, and then a laundry room will be hidden back here, but this is kind of just gonna be a hangout for sales reps. So we'll have TV there, we'll have kind of a kitchenette along the wall, and just a cool place to hang out. So you can see there are gonna be stairs right here that go up into the pool room. So we're gonna go around the house and show you guys the pool room. That's kind of the last piece of the puzzle, is the pool room and the garage, which are very important parts. All right, so this is the view of the back of the house. You can see master bedrooms there. This is gonna be the main living area. And then this will be the covered deck in the back. This is where the basketball court is, but then if you look up here, you can see this bedroom's gonna have a balcony up on the top. That gives you kind of a view of the back of the house. These are the windows that go down into the basketball court. And then we're gonna have double sliding doors right here that go into the pool room. So we can have a patio area back here, and then you can come into the pool room. So we'll go show you guys that. You can see these guys up here, they're incredible. Killing it, man. I cannot believe how fast it's gone up. So if you look, this is the pool right here. And we're gonna have a little waterfall from the hot tub into the pool. And then we've got all these windows. And then this is going to be a big glass garage door that we can open up just so you've got more access to the backyard. If you look down in, you've actually got windows that look down into the basketball court. We're gonna get another 6 inches up with the floors once they're poured. So it'll be a little higher, but that gives you 2 windows down in the basketball court. And we're gonna have a TV mounted here so that you can watch that while you're in the pool area. Now the pool was actually put in before anything else was done. We'll actually show you the video of that right here so you can see how they were able to lower that pool in. And it's pretty crazy. It's a fiberglass pool, but we'll run that clip so you can see that process. If you look right here, this is where the stairs are going to go down. And this is one of the main entrances for coming to the pool and the rest of the house. So we'll take you over here and show you the garage. In here, this is actually a suspended slab. So there's gonna be another 6 inches, I think, of concrete on top of that. But this garage gets to be just my garage. So there's actually room for, I think if you squish them right, you could get 6 cars in here because you've got 3 in the back and 3 in the front. I don't know that I'll squeeze them that tight. I think I'd like to eventually get 2 lifts. We'll see. I have goals to get cars. We'll have to see how the next couple of years go. The more you guys like the cars on the channel, the more that we've got to do it. So this side of the garage will be more for the cars that we're not using on a daily basis. But if you come over here, this other side. So this is one garage opening, the other one's right here. This is where we'll have just our daily drivers. We'll have parking for 2 cars right here and a ton of space. This also has room for probably 6 if you wanted to squeeze them in, but we'll probably just have 2 and then use the rest for storage and other stuff. If you come in here, I'll show you how this takes you back into the house. So I'll have stairs right here, and then this is a little mud room, and then this is another entrance to the house, and then you're right back in where you've got everything else that we showed you earlier. All right, guys, that is a full tour of the entire house. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you can catch my future videos where my goal is to help you to build a huge passive income. And keep in mind, the only reason I decided to share this video with you is this has been something that's motivated me for a long time. I've always wanted to build this house, and I think seeing other people build their dream homes has been a huge motivator for me, and I've done it the right way by building a passive income through investing in real estate. So then I can purchase the home guilt-free because I know we're in a place where we can afford it with passive income. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can catch my videos so that you can learn how to do the same. And again, I really hope you liked this video. If you didn't, let me know in the comments, but if you did, make sure you smash the like button and let me know what else you'd like to see in the future videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.